So guys, Canada has changed me a whole lot. When I say change me, I mean change me. Because things that I came here and see, like I was so culture shocked first of all. And you know people are Canadian when both of them reach at the same spot at the same time. And this one I say, you go and say, no, no, no. You go, no, no, no. And me just stay behind him like, why don't you go before me push you know? Right? Because it's just like Canadians are very polite. Them say them very friendly and polite. I don't know about the friendly part, but Canadians are very, very polite. Like the other day, I was at the stoplight and it turned green. And like 4 seconds, I didn't realize it turned green, right? Because me in my car distracted. And nobody honked me or anything. When me look up and see the light green, I said, Jesus, I'm a drive off so fast, right? And there was a long line of cars behind me and nobody honked. Because it's like, what I realize is honking at somebody in Canada is very, very disrespectful. You know what, Jamaica? You honk and say, what, go on? You honk and say, lady, nice lady, you're looking good. You honk to get people attention, right? Everything. Honk, honk, honk. Sometimes we just honk just to feel nice. We just honk and just, whoa. We just, you ever see the bus they walk from Spanish Town? It's just like the music I play, the honking, everything, right? So if you honk somebody here, it's a big disrespect. It's a big problem. This is called road rage. It calls for road rage. Like, why you honk me? Make it so bright and out that your face stay. You understand? So now that teach me now that patience as well. I think Canadians are very patient, very tolerant, and very patient. Because now when I am in traffic and I see the light turn green and somebody in front of me and then I realize, me give them a few seconds to like catch up. Like, okay, the light is green, but if they're like there 10 seconds, like too long, now you give them a little gentle honk. Hello, the light is green, right? Because if you're these people get so angry because of that. Like, it's just different. So me, I try my best. I'm to adapt to the Canadian culture. Up in Jamaica, tea mostly like monitor when they wake up. Your parents always say try to drink some tea before you go bust the gas, blah blah blah, start the day, whatever. Here so, I said I never drink so much tea in my life. Morning, noon, and night, I drink tea. You see winter coming out? Me go pack up on my tea them because I'm gonna be having tea in the morning, tea for lunch, and tea just before I go to bed with my tough crackers, my Jamaican tough crackers. I'm not gonna leave them out, okay? So, like, me don't know, but it's just different here, right? And I remember one time I went to Cherry Gardens. I was just 16 years old. I visited Cherry Gardens with a doctor family that was helping me out in high school at the time. And when I went there, I said, me nearly run off people. Oh, Cherry Gardens look nice. And me from all over, me never experienced them a nice things here. Like when we go there, they had like a helper serving the lunch, and everybody at the table I drink coffee, so them offering tea or coffee, but me never drink coffee yet, but me hear like the man say something about coffee and everybody take coffee, so me say okay then I'm gonna take coffee too. And the lady asked me, if we want it black or with cream or milk. I said, people, Jesus Christ, me say, it's the most confusing question that for me at 16. I don't know what to say, but me just say, black. Right? And she said, you want sugar in it and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, yeah, we love with sugar. That's why we have so much diabetes. Yes, okay. On a serious note, though, we need to cut down on the sugar. So, me take the sugar. Me say, people, I never drink so nothing bitter. Me think say your mommy bitters them what she used to make bitter. Me said the coffee bitter. I said to myself, say never again. I don't want coffee ever again. No. Right? And me was just nervous because me never experienced somebody like a helper in a house or offer you where you want to eat and this and that and blah blah blah. I say cherry gardens nice, cherry garden nice. Oh yes, if I think about Jamaica, I don't get some more. I don't know where I'm gonna get the money from, but I hope this morning. Why? But no, in Canada, me drink coffee as much as I drink tea. Because one thing is, I don't know waiting at the coffee, but you wake up grumpy, moody, tired, and you drink your coffee, and I'm telling you, shoom, your happiness level gone up, shoom. Your mood changed from sad to happy. I'm telling you. And I drink a lot of coffee, especially when I'm working and in the winter, because I'm tired. And I drink that before I start my shift. And trust me, me see the difference. If me not drink my coffee, me just mood, me just, Me I say, well, me drink coffee black when me feel sick. Them say black coffee good for you. Me drink coffee black. Me like my double when me feeling nice. You understand? I really do triple. When me say double, me like 2 sugar, 2 cream. That's it for me. You understand? Love my coffee. You understand? I am no Canadian. Me not know, but me know people in Jamaica drink coffee because we sell one of the best coffee from Blue Mountain, but me don't know. My first coffee experience in Jamaica was very bad. Very, very bad. Another thing in Canada is we're not mean to people that are like handicapped. They say me very gentle with the word because if you mistreat somebody that is like an handicap or be mean to that person out in public or whatever, trust me, you just ask for your honestness by you. Just open for honestness by you. People are very sensitive, excuse me, when it comes to people who have disability. They're very, very sensitive. You see people in Jamaica, they will cuss out the madman, them stone them, run them down, this and blah blah blah. But here, the very, very very gentle with those kind of people because you will get yourself in some serious problem if you even like mock them, trouble them, or anything. The gays, me not even gonna touch on the topic there because we about for me pay scale. Understand? You ever hear your mother or your father ever tell us say when you see so and so on the left, go on the right? That is how we deal with that the subject there because we just want to stay far away and mind my own business. Okay? Because that topic is too sensitive and too touches and me don't want a problem. Me don't want a problem. Me just here to make some money, better my life, take care of me pitney them. I have my mom back home. Yes, I'm a dad. That's it. Okay? Me not here to make no trouble. Me not here cause no problem. As I'm telling you, immigrant and police, we don't go together. We don't go together. I mean, I have to say no more. You do. We don't go together. So, just stay upon the straight and the narrow way. That being said, Canadians are polite, as I said before. Because me tell us one time in the Tim Hortons drive-through, and when I went up to the window, them said the person ahead of you already paid for your order. Me say, what you say? You say, yes, somebody paid for your order already. So I was just like, okay, guess what? Me no feel pressured to pay for the person who behind me. Like you have to continue the trend because you just want to be polite. So another thing is when I just came here, I saw people in the store in pajama. And me I say, then there are people that really and truly wake up out of their bed and come out on the road in a pajama. Like, serious? People, me say, I want to tell us me day I cook and run out or something. And me in my pajama pants, and I say, it's okay, me just run along the road and come back. So guess who went to the store in a pajama? Me I tell us I don't go to judge people, it don't go to judge people. I'm telling you, it's pretty much just like adapting to the culture because even my kids here, they have pajama day at school. Okay, I went to Walmart to buy my kids pajama to go at school because me don't know what it is, but the worst set of clothes people can have in a Canada pajama. Me don't know where they might eat. Me don't know where they might do. But this is the pajama there. Jesus, it's full of stain. It's full of everything you can think about. So my video is getting cut short because all my children then find me. But last but least, um, the last thing about Canadians is that you must hold the door. Okay? The other day we went to the door and this man went out and he didn't hold the door and Mickey was like, Mommy, that man he didn't hold the door. That's not nice. Right, Mickey? He didn't hold the door?
No.
So every time we go somewhere and somebody don't hold the door, she kind of points to it like, Mommy, he didn't hold the door. So that's just like, you know, something that we do. Like if you're going out and whatever, you hold the door for the person behind you. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye, guys. Say bye. Mickey, say bye. Bye.